So it is currently like 1 something. Hold up. It's currently 1 a.m. and we're on our way to Taco Bell because we're hungry. We found this $20 gift card while we're cleaning, so we're like, heck yeah. And then I was like, oh my god, I want to do a mukbang. That's kind of fun. So we're going to Taco Bell right now. What? We're gonna get 2 nacho fry boxes. They're $5 each. Guys, here we go.
I don't need a power. It's gonna be in there. I want like a.
It is literally 1:12 in the morning, and we're getting some Taco Bell. Is your mom this cool? Huh?
Yeah, this
huh?
ये सब नहीं करो. अच्छे से मुंह बनाओ. रात में 1 बजे पतंग लेके जा रही हैं.
Friday night.
मेरे बच्चे पता नहीं कहाँ लेके चलेंगे उसको जी.
My brother's at this like thing, and he's so bored. He sent this video, and I can't stop laughing at it. Insert.
कोई भी नहीं है.
Well, duh, no one's gonna be on the road at 1 o'clock.
Hey, hello.
Hello.
How can I help you?
Can I get 2 nacho fries box, black beans?
I'm sorry, man. We don't have any black beans at the 7 o'clock.
Just beans then.
Can I just have regular beans? Like any type of beans?
These quesadillas.
Yeah.
Stop.
Anything else?
That's it.
Any sauce, modified hot diallo?
Fire.
Amma, what are you doing? Drink number 1. Here's my mom. She wants to be in it. Okay, bye. My mom is so paranoid. The doors are locked, guys. Taco Bell gift card was for like my mom's like friend's son, and we lost it, and then we found it when we were cleaning her closet. So
It's $25.
25 bucks, bruh. Here is our nacho. Oh my god.
Get away from me.
Okay, I'm not doing that. Whatever. Yeah, my first time. You guys are all on camera. Hi.
The lighting is really bad.
Yo, this is smack.
This is good.
Oh my god, so bad.
This is so good.
I was reading.
These fries are so good, bro.
I know it's not good.
Is that good? This is a good. Sorry for the plastic straw, but you know. Whatever. Guys, here's my burrito. I was like,
odd man out हो गया.
So you kind of?
no, he was like putting this.
क्या हो गया?
In and out. Also, have you realized something about the highness? Hey, bro! 5-second subscribe challenge in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done!
Pooja, what is this behavior?
In 4!
Wait, stop. I'll say,
Is that really what YouTube clip does these days? You're a tough guy, turns out you're a buff guy. Isn't that what it says?
a pumpkin.
You said the B word.
Bitch.
Email dog.
If you're watching this.
Mama, if you're watching this.
She knows we cuss. Just a joke.
She started a TikTok channel, or TikTok, whatever. Dad, shut up! Anyways, then, I kid you not, she goes viral over a freaking painting that she did. Anyways, it got like 1 million some views, a bunch of likes, and I'm like, so where's my shout out at? And she goes, what shout out?
Peppa, what are you doing in my chocolate?
What are you doing? What the freak is wrong with you, freaking weirdo?
Peppa!
I don't really care. Little haul. Peppa, what are you doing in my underwear?
What the?
How do I? FBI, open up!
Okay, I'm buying a champion sweatshirt. It's like $60. That's $60 for my champion sweatshirt.
That's facts. Big blue bills in the bank. Let's chat. I just hit a mill like a baseball bat.